How to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After checking on the connections, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you have an updated version of the Roblox application. So just tap on the search bar and search for Roblox over here and make sure you have an updated version over here. So as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Roblox application. So we're going to go back to the home screen and then make a long press on the Roblox application. Here tap on App Info, and as you tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner. So just tap on the Clear Data option and then select Clear Cache, then tap on OK. As you do that, you can now relaunch your Roblox application and this might help you fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.